Hello students, welcome to the coordinate geometry part 4. Here we'll be solving some questions based on the section formula, and also we'll try to find out some coordinates of the centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter, etc. So first question is A is 3 comma 5 and B is 7 comma 9. Is divide the AB in ratio 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. So the coordinates of point Q will be first x coordinate 3 into 7 plus 2 into, sorry, 2 into 7, 2 into 7, 2 into 7 plus 3 into 3 divided by 2 plus 3, 5, comma 5 into 2 into 9 plus 3 into 5 divided by 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3, that is 5. So this coordinate will be 7 to the 14, 3 3 is the 9. 14, 9, 23, 23 by 5, and here 9 to the 18 and 15. So that is 33, 33 by 5. So this will be the answer. Next question. Find the point P if the midpoint of the line segment AP. P is the midpoint of the line segment. So first point A is minus 4 comma 2 comma B 6 2. Then midpoint will be 6, and ratio midpoint means ratio 1 is to 1. So 6 plus minus 4 divided by 2 and 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 divided by 2. So 6 minus 4 is 2 divided by 2, 1. This is 2 plus 2, 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So here the answer is 1 comma 2. Now is the third point. AB is divided between 7 is to 2. It's minus 7 comma 4, and this is minus 6 comma 5, and this is into ratio 7 is to 2. So x coordinate will be 7 into minus 6, 7 into minus 6 plus minus 7 into 2, 7 into minus 6 and 2 into minus 7 divided by 7 to 9, and y is equal to 5 into 7 plus 2 into 4 divided by 9. So here 7 6 ja minus 42 and 7 2 ja minus 14. So minus 42 and minus 14 is 56. Minus 56. And here 35 plus 8. 35 plus 8, 43. That is 43 by 9. So this will be the coordinate. Now come to the question number 4. A is minus 6, 10, and B is R and S. This is divided into 2 is to 1, and point P is minus 4, 6. So how will do that? So 2 into R plus minus 6 into 1 divided by 3 is equal to minus 4. That 2R is equal to minus 12 plus 6. So that is equal to minus 6. That's R is equal to minus 3. And here what you will do is S into 2. 2 into S plus 1 into 10 divided by 3 is equal to 6. So 2S is equal to 18 minus 10, 8. So S is equal to 4. Then RS will be minus 3. And fifth question, here you have to find the ratio. So A and B is there. A here, A, and here B. A is 15 comma 5 and B is comma 5 and B is 9 comma 1. And ratio you have to find M is to N. And this coordinate is given x1, 11, 15. So what will be the 11? 11 is equal to 15 into N plus 9 into M divided by M plus N. So you solve it, then 11M plus 11N is equal to 15N plus 9M. So here 2M is equal to 4N. 2M, this one 2M and this one is 4N. So M is equal to 2N. So M is 2N is equal to 2 is to 1 is the ratio. So equating y also you can do that. That is not an issue. So 15 is equal to 5 into 5 into n plus 20 into m divided by m plus n. So 15m plus 15n is equal to 5n plus 20m. So this you take this one. So 10n is equal to 5m. So m is 2n is equal to 2 is to 1. So both way you can solve. Now come to the sixth question. Sixth question. Sixth question says that trisection. Trisection means A is 2 comma minus 2 and B is minus 7 4. So trisection here section here section. That means this segment is 2 and this segment is 1. So this coordinate will be 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 and this is 2 into minus 7 divided by 3 and minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 and plus 4 into 4 into 2 divided by 3. So 2 1 2 and then this one is 14. 14 means so minus 12 by 3 that is equal to minus 4. Here minus 2 and 8 minus 6 divided by 3 plus 6 divided by 3 plus 6 divided by 3 is 2. So here is 2. So this coordinate is minus 4 and 2. Now this point you can solve by just dividing this one divided by 2. Minus 4 2. That is minus 2 divided by 1 is minus 1 and minus 2 and this one is plus 2 plus 2 minus 2 and plus 2 0. So this will be 0. So this way you can find out. Now come to the coordinates of centroid. So what is centroid? Centroid is the point of concurrent of median. What is median? So median is suppose this point is this one is equal to this one. Just you draw a line. Here you take middle point and you draw a line from the vertex. Here you take a middle point and draw a line vertex. So this point is called centroid. The centroid is having one property. What is property? That is divided into 2 is to 1. This is divided into 2 is to 1. This is divided into 2 is to 1. So suppose this wedge is x1 by 1. This is x2 by 2. This is x3 by 3. So this point will be x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So what will be this point? This point will be x3 into x1 plus x2 by 2, x3 into 1 and plus this it into 2 divided by 2 plus 1 3. So 2 get cancelled. That means x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Similarly, y1 plus y2 plus y3. The coordinate of centroid is this. So this is very important. Now come to the some other coordinates where we will not derive, just we'll write the formula. So first is in center. So what is in center? So in center, you divide this angle, you divide this angle, and you divide this angle. The point of concurrent is in center. So what is the property of in center? In center, if you draw a circle, it will touch all the three. So the in center is, suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. So this is A, this is B, this is C. So this point is called in center. So coordinate of in center will be, let me see, the coordinate of in center, coordinate of in center, in center, coordinate of in center. Yeah. Yes, coordinate of in center will be, suppose this one is x1 by 1, this is x2 by 2, and this is x3 by 3. So this coordinate will be ax1 plus b by 1, ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 divided by a plus b plus c, and y coordinate a by 1 plus b by 2 plus c by 3 divided by a plus b plus c. This is in center. What is x center? So x center is actually three x center are there. So if you draw a circle, draw a circle, x circle. This is x circle. Here, just divide this. So this center is x center. Here, this is also x center. This is also x center. Here, so three x center are there for the three circle for a triangle. Three x centers are there for the triangle. So, what is the coordinate of x center? X center is, suppose this one is what? This one is A, this one is B, this one is C, and this one is x1 by 1, this one is x2 by 2, this is x3 by 3. And similarly, this one is A, this one is B, this one is C. So x center will be here. This x center will be ax1 plus bx2 minus cx3 divided by a plus b plus c. Here, here a is this side, so here it will be bx2 plus cx3 minus ax1 divided by a plus b plus c. Similarly, this side also you can find the x center. So this is the formula for x center. Now come to the circumcenter. So what is the circumcenter? Some circumcenter concurrent concurrent of perpendicular bisector. Suppose this triangle is there. This is A, this is B, this is C. So this is a midpoint. So it's a bisector and you draw a perpendicular. So this is midpoint. You draw a this is a point. This is a midpoint. Draw a perpendicular and point of concurrent. This point is circumcenter. So circumcenter, if you draw a circle, it will go, it will pass through all three points of the circle. So here this is equal, this is also equal, this is also equal. This one equal, and this is perpendicular, so it is called perpendicular bisector. So what is the circumcenter coordinate? Circumcenter coordinate will be, let me check what is the circumcenter coordinate. Circumcenter coordinate will be, yeah, x1 sine 2a plus x2 sine 2b plus x3 sine 2c divided by sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. This is the coordinate of x coordinate of this one, x coordinate of this one, xy. So x is equal to this one, and y coordinate is y1 sine 2a plus y2 sine 2b plus y3 sine 2c divided by sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. This is the circumcenter. Now come to fourth. Fourth is fourth is what? Fourth is, let me check. Fourth, fourth is orthocenter. Yes. So what is the orthocenter? What is the orthocenter? Orthocenter. So orthocenter, you draw a perpendicular from the vertex, and the point of concurrent will call orthocenter. Suppose you are drawing here perpendicular from here, you're drawing perpendicular here, and you're drawing perpendicular here. So this point is orthocenter. Center. So this is A x1 y1, and this is x2 y2. This is x3 y3. What is the angle A? Angle A here, angle B here, angle C here. So orthocenter point will be, what is the orthocenter point? Orthocenter point will be x1 tan A plus x2 tan B plus x3 tan C divided by tan A plus tan B plus tan C, that is equal to x, and y is equal to, similarly, y1 tan A plus y2 tan B plus y3 tan C divided by tan A plus tan B plus 10C. And one more more properties of orthocenter, orthocenter, that is called also H centroid, G, and circumcenter, that is called C. So all three are in the same line. Suppose this one is orthocenter and this one is will be centroid from here to here. So what is centroid? Centroid is middle point from here, no? So middle point, and middle point this is a middle point. This one is middle point. This is a middle point of this one, and this is the middle point of this one. Suppose this is middle point of this one. So from here to here is a middle point. So this is centroid. And what is circumcenter? Perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector this one, perpendicular bisector this one, and perpendicular bisector this perpendicular bisector, this perpendicular bisector, and this is perpendicular bisector this one. So this one is HGC. So HGC always in a straight line, and this will also cut into 2:1. So for the equilateral triangle where all the sides are equal, here all 3 points will be 1 point. This will be circumcenter also, this will be orthocenter also, and this will be centroid also. And for isosceles triangle where though two sides are equal, here it will fall in this only. Here H, here G, here H, here G, here C. That will also cut into 2:3, but it will be this line, vertical line only. It will lie on the vertical. This is a very important property to solve the problem which we'll be solving later on. Thank you.